Welcome to English Learn with Zohan. Total question 15. Time 5 seconds each questions. Good luck. Subscribe now and never stop learning. Learn smart. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Question 1. The baby cry. Option A is the correct answer. Question 2. My father a teacher. Option A is the correct answer. Question 3. They gone to school. Option B is the correct answer. Question 4. We watching a movie last night. Option A is the correct answer. Question 5. He the bus every day. Option B is the correct answer. Question 6. I to bed early last night. Option B is the correct answer. Question 7. She me a gift. Option A is the correct answer. Question 8. He has his breakfast. Option C is the correct answer. Question 9. The dog barking. Option A is the correct answer. Question 10. They a big house. Option B is the correct answer. Question 11. We happy to see you. Option B is the correct answer. Question 12. I a storybook. Option C is the correct answer. Question 13. He to school regularly. Option B is the correct answer. Question 14. She has been living here 10 years. Option B is the correct answer. Question 15. The baby sleeping. Option B is the correct answer.